Hi everyone, welcome to our English learning quiz for beginners at the B2 level. In this video, we'll go through 25 phrases and you'll have to choose the correct preposition. Are you ready? Let's get started. The cat is sleeping the couch. Answer A, under. She was excited her new job. Answer B, about. I need to buy some vegetables, the market. Answer C, at. They have been friends childhood. Answer A, since. He works a doctor. Answer B, as. She was absent class yesterday. Answer A, from. Can you meet me 5 p.m? Answer B, at. I prefer tea coffee. Answer A, to. The book is the table. Answer C, on. She is looking forward to the party. Answer A, to. They arrived at the airport on time. Answer A, at. He's been working here 2 years. Answer B, for. I was surprised his reaction. Answer C, by. This is the best movie I have ever. Answer A, seen. She is interested learning Spanish. Answer A, in. They moved to New York, 2010. Answer B, in. He borrowed the book, the library. Answer A, from. We usually travel car. Answer A, by. She congratulated him his promotion. Answer B, on. The weather is getting warmer day by day. Answer C, by. He is responsible the project. Answer B, for. She was happy to hear the news. Answer A, very. He is good playing the piano. Answer A, at. They went to the concert bus. Answer B, by. I will call you, I get home. Answer A, as soon as. Great job, everyone. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you next time.